Spotify Premium upgrade not happening on iPhone fix. Let's get started. Launch your Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of premium. Over here, you're gonna find different premium plans. You can see that. But you'll see this pop up. You can't upgrade to premium in the app. So what you have to do is close your app, open any of the browser. Now type in Spotify Premium and search for it. Now click on this website option, Spotify Premium. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now scroll down. You will see this option of view all premium plans. Click on it. With that, you're gonna find all the premium plans of Spotify. You can just scroll down. Now you can head towards the premium plan that you wanna try. Just click on Get Premium. With that, you will land to the login page. Now type in your Spotify credentials and log into your account, and then you can apply for the premium plans. So this is how you can fix Spotify Premium upgrade not happening on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.